The Grandfalls Pressure Washer GT-2900 delivers exceptional cleaning power with its powerful 1800-watt motor, achieving up to 2,900 psi and 2.2 gallons per minute, making it perfect for tackling tough dirt and grime. Its wall-mounted design offers a neat and organized solution, featuring a 100-foot hose that reaches every corner effortlessly, eliminating the need to move the unit around. The pressure washer's retractable hose system is a standout feature, as it allows for any length lock and prevents kinks, ensuring easy storage and durability. Equipped with 4 quick-connect nozzles and a foam cannon, this model provides versatility for various cleaning tasks, from high-pressure jobs to applying a rich lather for car washing. The total stop system enhances both energy efficiency and the lifespan of the pump by shutting it off when the trigger is not engaged, making it a reliable and eco-friendly choice. Giraffe Tools offers professional and lifetime support, ensuring that any issues are addressed promptly and efficiently, providing peace of mind to users.